Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make these ghost squishies for Halloween. The inspiration for the squishy came from clay charms made by Hello Silly Friends. Before I move on to the main video, I have a fan mail package to open. This fan mail package was sent by Crafty Koala, and I'm very grateful for this package and everything that's in it. So this is a very sweet note, but I'm not going to read it on camera because it's personal. The first thing Crafty Koala sent me are homemade squishies, and these are super duper adorable. So I'm going to start off with this one, which is a boba. And the texture of this is amazing. It has that nice, satisfying, airy sound. This one is my favorite because it's my old profile picture. Unfortunately, I changed my profile picture after this was made. And finally is this Paper Koa logo. And this is for my second channel if you guys didn't know. And it's also my logo for my Etsy shop. This is a soccer crush ball, which is for my homemade squishies. Then I got foam, craft dowels, which will be extremely useful for my Dango squishies, a bunch of capsules for my vending machine, and I'm very excited to have these because I threw away all my old capsules for some reason. And finally is this Koya plush, and I love this so very much. This is a BT21 character if you guys don't know. Thank you so much Crafty Koala for this package, and now let's move on to the main video. For this tutorial you'll be needing earplugs, and it doesn't matter what brand you use. I'm going to start off by making the cat ghost. To make this, I'm going to cut a portion of the bottom. I want to make the bottom wavy so it looks like a ghost. So to do this, I'm cutting dents all around the bottom. Afterwards, you can round it off if you need to. Using the bottom portion from earlier, I'm going to cut this into a triangle, and this is going to be candy corn. I still had scrap foam left over, so with these I made ears for the cat ghost, and I glued these on with puffy paint. Then I'm going to paint this entire squishy with black puffy paint. I drew the face on with orange puffy paint, and the first squishy is complete. Next, I'm going to make the three ghosts. So for the first one, I'm going to cut a tiny portion of it. And for the second one, I'm going to cut around halfway. So now you should have a big ghost and a small ghost, and a thick cylinder and thin cylinder. I'm going to cut the thick cylinder into a cone, and this is going to be the witch hat. After you have your cone shaped out, you can glue that onto the flat piece. That was bound to happen. I dropped these squishies so many times because they're so tiny. Now I'm going to create the wavy bottom for the ghost squishies. For my last ghost squishy, I'm also going to cut this around halfway. With the bottom portion, I'm going to create a pumpkin. Next, I'm going to paint all my squishies with puffy paint. This might take a few layers to cover up. I painted around 4 layers for the white puffy paint and about 3 layers for the other colors. After the paint is dry, you want to glue on the accessories. So the first one is the candy corn. I'm going to draw the face using a toothpick, and I'm also using puffy paint for this. So there's the first ghost squishy. Next, I'm going to glue down the pumpkin. And I'm using Fabric Fusion to glue this down, but you can also use white puffy paint. I'm also going to draw a cute face for this. And finally is the witch hat. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Happy Halloween to everyone, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!